Hey there! Today we're tackling a common networking problem that many Linux users may face. The issue at hand is related to connectivity between two PCs, A and B, over a wireguard VPN network. While pinging and SSHing from A to B works flawlessly in the local network, it's a different story over the VPN. B seems to be unreachable from A via the VPN, unless a certain workaround is applied. Let's dive deeper into this intriguing problem and explore the solution. In troubleshooting this connectivity hiccup, we've identified two probable causes. First, it's possible that B's firewall isn't set up to accept incoming wireguard UDP packets. As a result, when A tries to communicate with B through the VPN, the packets are rejected. However, when B initiates a ping within the VPN, it kickstarts the flow, and the firewall starts allowing the incoming packets. The second likely scenario is that B is sitting behind a NAT gateway that isn't configured to forward incoming wireguard UDP packets to B's private address. This issue mirrors the firewall problem, where the first outbound packet creates the necessary state for replies to pass through. The key solution to this conundrum lies in enabling the persistent keep alive setting on B's wireguard configuration. By including this parameter under the peer section for the server, B will periodically send packets to the server, ensuring that all devices along the path keep track of the UDP packet flow. This continuous communication prevents firewalls and NAT gateways from timing out and blocking subsequent connections. Alternatively, for a more static setup, manually configuring all necessary settings can also alleviate the issue. In conclusion, by implementing the recommended solutions, you can ensure seamless connectivity between PCs A and B over the wireguard VPN network. Remember, persistence pays off in the realm of networking. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay connected and keep those packets flowing smoothly.